이야기는 잔인한 모습으로 죽어있는 여성을 붙잡고서 슬피 우는 어떤 남자의 모습으로 시작합니다.
She's dead. Someone's dead.
과거에 그녀가 죽었다는 것이 꽤나 큰 충격이었는지 성인이 된 이후에도 종종 떠오르는 끔찍한 기억이었죠. 조엘은 꽤나 유명한 정신과 의사였으며 그를 찾는 환자들로 인해 항상 바쁜 업무를 진행하고 있었습니다.
Okay then.
Harlow, get me out of here.
I can't do that right now.
You. He said you were a fake, and I asked him to punish you, and you know what he said?
What did he say?
He would do that.
다만 정신적으로 문제가 가득한 환자들이 많았던 만큼 도통 이해하지 못할 얘기를 들어야만 했죠.
Yeah, he called me. I ditched it. What's up?
Lad, he's dead. He shot himself in his office. Are you there?
그의 아버지가 갑자기 죽었다는 얘기는 그의 입장에서 전혀 예상하지도 못한 소식이었습니다.
The search for her killer prompted national attention, but they remain at large to this day.
과거에 소중하게 여겼던 여동생이 죽음을 맞이한 것과 더불어 이런 일이 벌어지니 그의 머릿속은 더욱 혼란스러웠죠.
Since when did he own a gun?
He didn't.
Where's the note?
Well, police have the original, but they gave me this photocopy.
조엘과 마찬가지로 똑같은 정신과 의사였던 조너선은 아들에게 무언가 비밀을 건네고 스스로 목숨을 끊은 것 같았습니다.
Did he talk about Sutton?
He never spoke about her.
Sutton?
동생인 제나가 그의 든든한 버팀목이 되어주었지만 아직까지 과거를 마주하기에는 어려움이 많았죠.
There he is. Come on, bring it in.
착잡한 기분을 위로하기 위해서인지 평소라면 거부할 친구와의 만남도 흔쾌히 수락하는 조엘.
See, gentrification still hasn't reached this place.
Yeah, you know Bella, Changer's death. I'll get the drinks. I'll go say hello.
Laz, the psychologist returns.
Psychiatrist.
비록 아버지의 죽음이라는 슬픈 사실 때문에 고향으로 돌아온 것이었지만 옛 친구들을 만나니 반갑긴 했습니다.
So sorry, Laz.
He'd obviously been thinking about Sutton. This was on his desk.
Yeah, I don't think any of us ever really got over what happened that night.
He was ruined by it. Sutton was his favourite.
No, mate.
Being the not favourite twin, trust me, is something you notice.
과거에 죽임을 당했던 서턴은 조엘과 쌍둥이였으며 그녀의 죽음을 가족 모두가 잊지 못한 것 같았죠.
One more?
Naturally.
아버지의 서고로 들어가서 깜빡 잠에 들어버린 그는 이곳에 찾아온 어떤 여성과 마주합니다.
Safety music as I get desperate along the way.
Excuse me.
And then suddenly I'm like 3 minutes late.
You do it on purpose.
I've been having those thoughts again. Did you hear me? I said I've been having those thoughts.
무턱대고 찾아온 것에 당황하긴 했지만 본인도 정신과 의사였고 아버지의 내담자였던 것 같으니 진지하게 대하기 시작했죠.
I look into his dead face. There's blood gushing from his head where I hit him, and I.
And who is the man?
Neil.
My boyfriend, the freak.
These thoughts, are they memories?
그녀는 자신의 남자친구의 죽음을 직접 목격하면서 정신적으로 상당한 불안을 안고 있는 것 같았습니다.
And in my mind, I kill him. I mean, why? Why would I think these things?
Is it that your feelings about Neil are being projected onto this new admirer.
Do you want one?
Why not? A small one.
And I feel nothing. It's like what you said before. What was it you used to say about living your life with pain?
Remind me?
분명히 눈앞에서 여러 가지를 이야기했던 그녀가 갑자기 사라졌으니 조엘의 입장에서는 황당할 따름이었죠.
I bumped into Bella.
In her bar?
She's still with what's his name? Paul.
Yeah, she's still with Paul. You just hate him.
How old's the kid? What's his name?
Aiden. 15?
I wanted to speak to Margot.
I should warn you that she's still pretty traumatized about finding him.
동생과 정답게 대화를 나눈 이후 그는 카산드라라는 여성과 아버지의 죽음에 대해서 알고 싶어졌습니다.
Cassandra, you say? Surname?
No idea.
Right, that makes it tricky. We file by surname.
서턴의 죽음을 지속해서 기억하고 있는 아버지가 마음에 걸렸으며 어제의 기이한 경험도 이와 연관이 있는 것 같았기 때문이었죠.
I suppose choosing your career you wanted to be like him.
And you got inside his.
Occasionally.
Did he ever talk about Sutton on the night she was killed?
Well, I don't know anything about that. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed being back in here.
카산드라가 확실히 아버지의 내담자라는 것을 확인한 그는 곧장 그녀의 주소를 따라가 보지만 뜻밖의 소식을 듣게 되었습니다.
Cassandra?
Yeah, Cassandra Rhodes.
Listen, I'm sorry, but she's dead.
Dead.
Murdered, actually.
분명히 자신과 대화를 나누었음에도 죽임을 당했다는 것은 도저히 믿기 힘든 사실이었죠.
You definitely weren't with her yesterday.
Hello?
Cassandra Rhodes. She was strangled and her killer never found. Murdered.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up.
Hey man, the mortuary have released your dad's body to the undertakers.
여러 가지 혼란스러운 사실들 때문에 머리가 복잡했음에도 그는 아버지의 마지막 가는 길을 함께해야 했습니다. 자기 여동생의 장례식과 비슷한 풍경을 떠올리는 와중에도 조엘은 현재의 복잡한 상황을 해결하고 싶었죠.
It's very different circumstances, though, to Sutton. 1 year apart, and for both of them, the culprit never caught. She was one of Dad's patients. Thought she had a stalker.
Isn't that stuff private, lad? Investigations I wasn't even part of. Are you mad? Mum?
Seth, I guess none of us really know, do we? What's going on up there?
친구인 세스가 경찰이었기에 허락만 해준다면 과거의 사건을 파헤치는 것도 어려운 일은 아니었습니다.
Laz, lovely service.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. Hey, Paul. So, how's the golf going?
Good. I'm down to a handicap of 10 now.
Can I get you a drink?
I'm good. Thanks.
조엘은 어두운 밤거리를 거닐면서 너무나 고통스러웠던 기억을 조금씩 꺼내기 시작했죠.
Sam Olsen, I'm arresting you on suspicion of the murder of Sutton Lazarus.
이유는 정확히 알 수 없었지만 서턴을 죽였다고 추측되는 범인은 아무런 벌도 없이 살아가고 있는 것 같았습니다.
After I left last night, I walked by Sam Olsen's house.
The man accused of murdering our sister.
It's not like the two things aren't connected, Jen.
There's no forensics, no witnesses, and Dad never believed it was him. But I don't make the laws.
동생의 죽음에 대한 끔찍한 기억과 며칠 전에 만난 카산드라의 존재 때문에 고민이 깊어졌던 조엘.
Do you think people ever see dead people before their eyes?
You are grieving. If you think that you're seeing Dad.
Forget it. When you're dead, you're dead.
You definitely weren't with her yesterday.
Oi! Are you Aiden? What are you doing here?
그의 집을 멍하니 쳐다보던 소녀는 에이든이었으며 고향 친구였던 벨라의 아들이었죠.
I'm a forensic psychiatrist.
You talk to mad people.
Yeah, kind of.
I think it could send you crazy. Dealing with crazy people.
I think you're right.
정확히 무슨 생각 때문인지는 모르겠으나 그는 조엘이 고향으로 돌아온 것에 대해 경고성이 담긴 메시지를 건넵니다.
I'll head off.
Thank you for bringing him back. I do really appreciate it. Bye.
Hey man, meet me at Rosie Q's. I got something for you. Enjoy yourself.
You're a superstar.
세스가 알아낸 정보에 따르면 카산드라는 문제가 많은 여성이었으며 사귀던 남자친구에 의해서 죽임을 당했다고 하죠.
He went AWOL. It's a sorry and sordid tale.
I see this all the time in prisons, Seth. The way it reads isn't always the way it went
Are
down.
you going to tell me what this has to do with anything? Trouble found her and Trouble killed her. Case closed 25 years ago.
연인 사이에서 벌어진 우연한 사고라고 생각하던 와중에 조엘은 뒤에서 누군가 자신을 따라오는 듯한 인기척을 느낍니다.
Hey! Hey! Are you alright?
자신을 왜 뒤쫓았는지에 대해서는 알 수 없었지만 현재 고민하고 있는 문제들의 연결고리가 될 수도 있다는 생각이 들었죠.
Hello! Where are you?
Spinning reel, like a snowball down a mountain, like a carousel that's turning course that you find.
So you met Cassandra. There will be others, son. Others who were murdered, like Cassandra.
Dad?
그를 놓치고서 아버지가 등장하는 의미심장한 꿈을 꾸었던 조엘은 무작정 차를 타고 내달리기 시작했습니다.
Go round! Go round! Go round! Go round!
죽은 이들이 다시 찾아온다는 아버지의 말이 그의 입장에서는 도통 이해가 가질 않았죠.
I just don't understand why he would do this.
이대로 가만히 있다가는 정말 미쳐버릴 것이라고 생각한 그는 아버지의 유서를 통해 단서를 추리하기로 합니다.
I've got a theory. This annoyingly vague suicide note. But when did he ever start a sentence without a capital letter? It reads like the end of a sentence, not the start.
Police only found this.
Yeah, and who found the note first? The police or Margot?
아버지가 왜 스스로 목숨을 끊은 것인지, 왜 죽은 이들이 자신을 찾아오는 것인지 의문만 가득했기에 그는 점차 예민해졌죠.
He was reading a book. It's a psychological textbook from 1954. The juniper bush is an analogy. It's about innocence and it's about loss.
Sutton.
Coffee? I'm already late.
서턴과 카산드라 그리고 아버지까지 모든 죽은 이들에게서 연관점을 찾으려 했지만 세스는 단호하게 그를 제지합니다.
Who would want to kill your dad? First the Cassandra Rhodes thing, which is 25 years ago. You're looking for connections where there aren't any. You're abusing our friendship. So it's like if you fancy your sister.
그럼에도 똑똑했던 조엘은 그가 건네준 파일을 기반으로 처음부터 하나씩 단서를 추리하기 시작하죠.
There will be others, son. They will come to you too.
수면을 통해서 죽은 이들과 만날 수 있었던 것을 생각하며 이를 시도해보는데 뜻밖의 인물이 그를 찾아옵니다.
He was a bit reluctant, but I told him that you'd suggested it and that you'd make sure that it wasn't too,
I'll do my best to make it straightforward.
Just have a drink.
Leave it.
Neil, just have a drink.
Leave it!
조너선에게 실제로 상담했던 기억인지는 모르겠지만 확실한 것은 그들의 관계가 최악으로 치닫고 있다는 것이었죠.
It was her idea to help our relationship.
Well, I've kept a little diary of each day, and every time that I...
Can I speak? Well, it all goes back to her mother. Don't sigh, Cassie. Well, she would go out into the street, sleep with men for money.
No, she didn't.
Don't lie to him.
그들이 다투는 와중에도 이것이 절호의 기회라고 생각한 조엘은 자신이 궁금했던 점을 끌어내기 위해 노력합니다.
I keep the drinks in a globe. Well, where would you go if you needed the space?
India.
Why?
Well, live cheaply, lose yourself, no one will find you there.
You should go.
Maybe I will. Probably end up like your mother, sucking men's dicks for cash.
Stop
Sandra
saying
came
that.
from a whore, and we need to accept that sometimes the apple doesn't fall far from the...
만약에 방금 꾸었던 꿈이 사실이라면 카산드라는 조너선에게 상담하던 와중에 니를 죽였다는 얘기가 되었죠.
Remember it, the cradling mother?
Yes.
Dad had it in his office, but it's not there anymore. Why?
I have no idea. Now, please, Laz.
꿈을 통해서 과거를 유추한다는 것 자체가 말도 안 되는 일이었지만 조엘에게 비밀을 풀 수 있는 방법은 이것뿐이었습니다.
Apart from all the crap that got left in the attic. You again.
I know. I'm sorry. What did you do with her stuff?
It's only a couple of boxes. They're in the loft. Why?
꿈에서 봤던 조각상이 그녀의 집에 있다는 것은 그가 꾸었던 장면이 점점 사실에 가까워지고 있다는 얘기였죠.
This used to be my father's.
You'll be saying my 65-inch widescreen with your father's next. All I know is the wife likes it.
She boxed it off. Cassandra. There's something behind here.
What?
게다가 그녀가 직접 다락방에 어떤 공간을 마련했다는 얘기는 무언가 숨기는 물건이 있을 게 분명했습니다. 유골을 보자마자 조엘은 이것이 닐의 것이라고 생각했으며 자신의 꿈이 실제 현실이라고 믿게 되었죠.
Are you okay?
A bit shaken. What if the body is Neil? The boyfriend? Neil Croft?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We don't know who the body is yet.
다만 아직 확실한 증명이 나온 것은 아니었기에 이를 보고 판단하는 것도 늦지 않았습니다.
I need the air, Seth.
Get in the fucking car. Fucking... How the fuck did you find a dead body?
Asking is how the fuck did the police not find that in 1999?
Hey, dickhead. This is my job.
세스의 입장에서는 기껏 위험을 감수하고 자료를 구해주었더니 이곳저곳을 파헤치고 다니는 친구가 원망스러웠죠.
Care to elaborate? My eyes start to close, and then suddenly, and then in she walks, Cassandra, like she's there for a session.
This is not a dream.
Not a dream.
얼토당토하는 얘기였지만 그래도 친한 친구가 진지한 표정을 짓고 있으니 그 역시 잠자코 들어주기로 합니다.
I thought maybe she could help me understand why my dad took his own life. And Neil, her boyfriend, who was there today. All kinds of thoughts. And I hear these. And there he is. What does he say?
There will be others, son. Others who were murdered.
Did you ask?
No.
그의 얘기에 따르면 원래 카산드라를 죽였다고 생각되는 일이 사실은 그녀에게 죽임을 당한 피해자라는 것이었죠.
I know how it sounds, Seth. Right, outside this room, I'm a rational man, but in here...
Okay, all right, let's recreate the circumstances, the exact circumstances in which they appear. Should we close our eyes? Go for a piss.
너무나 진지하게 얘기하는 그를 보면서 장단에 맞춰주기는 하지만 아무래도 평범한 사람은 믿기 어려운 얘기였습니다.
You can't tell people you're seeing ghosts, son. They put you in the loony bin or something. But then again, nobody knows what to call anything anymore.
마치 그가 고민하고 있는 것을 알고 있다는 것처럼 조엘이 잠에 든 사이에 다시 조너선이 찾아오죠.
Everyone's a patient, son, in this room or not.
How are you?
Good. Yeah, good, apart from seeing dead people.
I always encouraged her to stand up for herself.
그에게서 들을 수 있는 내용은 고작해야 유령들이 자아를 갖고서 현실에 나타난다는 해괴망측한 이야기였습니다.
In the way they spoke in my session.
And now, what? It's coming out of the walls because you're dead.
Perhaps. So they aren't ghosts. Ghosts would know they were dead. Sorry. I don't get out much.
You know death is final, that you and I will never be together again.
Please, Dad. Please.
I don't know.
Please, Dad. Please.
차분하게 그를 어지럽게 하는 문제의 비밀에 대해서 물어봤으나 조너선은 쉽게 대답해주지 않았죠.
Dad. Dad? Dad, is that about Sutton?
Laz. Who are you talking to?
주변인의 입장에서는 그가 몽유병을 앓고 있다고 생각이 들 정도로 괴상한 장면이긴 했습니다.
I've been looking into the juniper bush.
It's just a book, Jen. I should never have mentioned it.
In some countries, it signifies reincarnation, and some think that it helps stimulate contact with other worlds.
제나는 조엘이 건넨 아버지의 책을 조사했으며 그가 죽기 전에 무언가를 내포했을 것이라고 얘기하죠.
I'm sorry. I'm tired. I'm going up. You said it's not over in your note. Is that about Sutton?
조너선이 딸인 서턴을 너무나 그리워했으며 사이비적인 주술도 모자라 그녀를 만나기 위해 목숨을 끊었다는 것은 충격적인 얘기였습니다. 조엘은 진실을 확인하는 것이 너무 두려웠지만 자신의 의심을 확신의 감정으로 만들고 싶었죠.
Hello?
Joel Lazarus.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have come inside.
사랑하는 딸을 죽였다고 추측되는 용의자와 그 유족의 만남이었으나 그는 꽤나 태연하게 조엘을 반겨주었습니다.
For a long time, I thought you murdered my sister. Did you?
And she's a lovely girl, by the way. Very polite. She's looking for a dog.
행적을 의심받으며 경찰에 체포되었던 올슨은 왜 자신이 무죄로 풀려났는지에 대해서 얘기해주죠.
The difficulty I had was why you were on our street. You were seen hanging around on our street the night she died.
Hanging around, you see?
We did have a previous complaint against you for stealing underwear from a girl's house, so it wasn't...
I was young.
So why were you there?
And I had a crush on the woman from number 5. Earlier saying that she was going out that night. So I had this idea that I'd point out a problem with her car. Obviously, I'd seen you all heading out to the prom earlier. Later on, I saw Billy McIntyre back at your house in his car and your sister climb into it.
그의 이야기에 따르면 자신은 그저 주변을 지나가는 도중이었으며 서턴의 남자친구로 보였던 빌리라는 인물이 수상하다는 것이었습니다.
Billy yelled in her face and sped away like a rally driver.
So what did you do after you saw that?
Nothing. It's a tiny event in my evening.
We went home.
No.
그의 말이 사실이라면 여태까지 서턴을 죽인 것으로 의심받던 올슨은 무고했고 빌리와 그녀의 갈등 속에서 무언가 벌어진 것 같았죠.
Billy McIntyre never missed a chance to drag my name through the mud. Online, not a scrap of evidence, but they don't care. So people look at you with suspicion.
Random question. You still speak to Billy McIntyre?
Where did that come from? Have you seen him in a vision?
You still have his number?
Probably. Unless he's changed it.
세스에게 조사를 맡기고 집에 돌아온 그는 전혀 예상하지 못했던 인물과 마주합니다.
Hey, Dad.
Sutton.
그녀가 이 자리에 있다는 얘기는 조너선이 말했던 죽은 자들이 찾아온다는 것이 사실이라는 뜻이었죠.
It's just so good to see you.
Laz and Bella are driving me nuts. They're all over each other. I actually think they only kiss because it's something else to do with their mouths.
Hey, that's not fair.
It's not going to end well. You said so yourself.
무엇보다 아버지를 제외한 모든 이들이 그를 조너선이라고 인식하며 과거의 한 장면을 재현하는 듯했습니다.
Yes, I will, but...
I'm going to break up with Billy.
What?
I don't want to talk about it, but just thought I should let you know in case things...
What's wrong? Tell me.
Tell me the truth.
The truth.
How do I look?
It's tonight. Tonight.
이번 파티에서 그녀가 죽음을 맞이한다는 것을 알고 있었지만 이는 과거에 불과했기에 되돌릴 방법이 없었죠.
We can keep talking. We can sort everything out. Just stay. Don't leave me again, please. Please.
Bye.
No, wait! Sergeant!
동생의 최후를 알고서도 막지 못하는 것이 원망스러운 조엘은 곧장 그녀의 남자친구였던 빌리를 찾아갑니다.
If you say Joel Lazarus is here to see him, Laz. Thank you. Hi. What an office.
Sorry I didn't talk to you at the funeral.
No worries. Where were you? Somewhere nice?
Caribbean.
그와의 대화는 미묘한 방식으로 돌아가면서 정작 핵심에 대해서는 얘기하지 않는 느낌이었죠.
He was a good man, Laz. Your dad offered advice about being
good to myself.
Why did you let her leave the dance?
When did you see him last? Honestly, couldn't tell you.
올슨의 말이 사실이라고 확신하는 것은 아니었지만 어찌됐든 흘러나온 이야기를 그냥 넘어갈 수는 없었습니다.
The more I think back, I can't shake the idea that something was wrong. What you were arguing about the night she died.
Why would you believe him? Laz? Sick. Yeah, of course he tried to paint me as the hot-tempered boyfriend. Same old stuff. She was going off to uni. I didn't want her to stay in halls because it would be harder for me to visit. We were never happier.
빌리에게서 여러모로 수상한 부분이 가득한 한편 브라운과 세스는 카산드라 사건을 면밀히 조사하고 있었죠.
But we've always believed Neil killed Cassandra. Why are you so sure that she killed him and not the other way around?
Hunch. I mean, he was found in her flat.
Please. Because he told everyone and their dog that he'd always wanted to start a new life in India.
정황상 아직 밝혀진 것은 없었기에 확신하긴 힘들었지만 세스는 조엘이 말한 내용이 마냥 거짓이라고 생각하진 않았습니다.
We don't even know for sure it is Neil yet.
So Detective Brown wants to talk to you. My advice, don't avoid her calls. Well, do you want to fill her in on Casper and friends? Because I don't. I suggest you keep your distance, for all our sakes.
그래도 이미 죽은 사람들을 볼 수 있다는 얘기는 아무리 친구라고 하더라도 믿기 어려운 내용이었죠.
Gunshot residue report from your dad's body. So he did fire the gun. I'm sorry.
Except it can't be. I saw Sutton today.
Okay, when you say you saw her...
It was that night.
Okay, Laz. Why are you torturing yourself like this?
Right there. Seth. Right in front of me.
그는 현재 머릿속을 어지럽히는 모든 사건이 동일범의 소행이라고 생각하며 연관점을 찾기 위해 최선을 다했습니다. 그날 밤에 찾아온 인물은 공교롭게도 매번 찾아오던 이들이 아니라 해리라고 불리는 아버지의 내담자였죠.
I will be once you and your friends stop shouting. But before that, I went to the pub. Just the local. Her name's Bambi. Would you believe that?
자신의 마음을 받아주지 않는 여성으로 인해서 골치가 아팠던 와중에 그는 마치 무언가에 쫓기는 것 같았습니다.
Wish I'd thought of that. I went up to the desk, gave my name, said I'm Harry Nash and I need to talk to someone. They sent someone out and I made a statement. Right thing to do. You were the one who encouraged me to go to the police. If he works out, I've reported him. Do you know what he's capable of? He's evil. When they come for him. Oh, Jesus.
Harry.
정확히 그가 무슨 얘기를 하는지는 알 수 없었으나 조엘은 이것이 문제를 해결할 새로운 단서라고 판단했죠.
He was murdered. He was abused as a child. Frequently.
해리는 학교의 풋볼 코치에게 끔찍한 학대를 받았으며 조너선의 권유로 인해서 경찰에 신고를 했던 것 같았습니다.
Harry was your patient, Dad. His safety is your responsibility.
Unforgivable, but is it true? Let's unpack it together, shall we?
Killed by his greatest fear, this paedophile. How is that in any world progress?
해리뿐만이 아니라 카산드라도 안 좋은 결과를 맞이한 것을 보면 이는 결국 조너선의 상담이 사람을 파국으로 몰고 있다는 것을 뜻했죠.
And what should I have done in your esteemed opinion?
Well, gone to the police, Dad.
A life in prison would have been a better fate for her than the one she actually met. I'm honestly asking.
Stop trying to avoid hearing what I'm saying. Listen to me. Why?
비록 상상 속의 존재에 불과했지만 여태까지 사건들을 조사하면서 알아낸 점을 통해 조엘은 폭언을 쏟아냈습니다.
Locked away from what actually matters.
You never said this to me when I was alive, Joel.
We didn't have that kind of relationship, Dad. I think your tolerance for suffering isn't what it was. I think after Sutton you couldn't take anymore. My brilliant dad, the great Dr. Lazarus.
But before Sutton, you never wanted to follow me into this field.
Why? Because I wanted to be better than you, Dad. I wanted to be better than you.
이런 과정을 반복하면서 그의 감정은 피폐해져 갔으나 사건과 관련된 정보들은 확실하게 얻을 수 있었죠.
This man, I think I know his face.
My name is Franklin Barnway. This is my last confession. I know I'm damned. It's what I deserve.
프랭크는 아이들에게 잔인한 행동을 했던 과거의 죄를 반성했지만 해리와 관련해서는 무고를 주장하며 그대로 숨을 끊었습니다.
September 28th, last year.
You must have planned it. Yeah. You didn't have him on a watch list.
No, I didn't think he was a risk. Felt he was being justly punished for pedophilia.
동료 의사에게서 들은 놀라운 사실은 프랭크가 병원에 갇혀 있는 동안 조너선이 2번 정도 상담을 했다는 것이었죠.
You think he's telling the truth? That he didn't kill Harry Nash?
He always insisted he wasn't a murderer.
Is it still stained? The place where the priest fell?
How do you know why I'm here, Arlo?
Saw you arrive.
Did you know him?
Padre? Yeah.
주변 인물들의 말을 토대로 생각해봤을 때 프랭크는 정말로 해리를 죽였다고 보기 어려운 인물인 것 같았습니다.
Sin to the Father, visited upon the Son.
What did you say?
What did you say? God said he'd do it. Just for me.
지속적으로 머릿속에 주입되는 트라우마 때문에 이제는 슬슬 자기 잘못이 아닐까 싶었던 조엘.
Son, why did you let her leave the door?
A bit worried about Laz.
What? Like Sutton? She wasn't just his sister, Seth.
He was the one that found Sutton, Jenna.
사실 서턴을 처음으로 발견한 사람도 조엘이었으며 그녀와 제일 가깝다고 볼 수 있었던 이도 그였죠.
I can only imagine how that would fuck someone up, you know?
Should have moved away. That would have looked like guilt.
거미줄처럼 얽혀있는 실타래를 풀기 위해서는 확실히 핵심적인 무언가가 필요해 보였습니다.
Margot's a lifesaver. I wouldn't have got through half this admin without her.
Billy told me you were holding up. Not easy, I know.
And what did you talk about? I mean, the boys, he has 2 beautiful boys now.
The night Sutton was killed.
Why were you talking about?
Joel, you need to move on. That's what your father
You
was.
certainly weren't rushing to tell me about Cassandra Rhodes, were you?
That has...
Or Harry Nash.
He was a patient of your father's.
He was murdered.
What?
Your father wouldn't have wanted me to disclose anything about his clients.
다만 그가 머릿속에서만 생각했던 이야기를 주변 인물들에게 하면 할수록 미친 사람 취급을 받을 수밖에 없었죠.
No, Margot, thank you for the wine. This way.
Margot knows more than she's saying. I mean, you heard.
Or they won't even give us time to pack. The lease on Dad's office is up in 2 weeks.
I need to be able to get in there. I mean, if I can't, I can't.
Okay.
현실적인 문제까지 그들을 덮쳐왔기에 조엘은 어쩔 수 없이 든든한 동생이었던 제나에게 모든 사실을 얘기합니다.
Laz, why do you think they're appearing to you? And not me? You think I'd be the one most open to that world?
Someone led me to Sutton's grave the other night. When I saw Sutton, she told me that she was going to break up with Billy.
On the day of the ball.
Billy said they were good, that they were just fighting about uni.
그들이 진지하게 대화를 나누고 있는 와중에 벨라의 아들인 에이든이 얼굴에 상처를 입은 상태로 찾아오죠.
I told you. They chased me and I fell into a bush. Mum would make a big deal of it. You know what she's like. Yeah, I know what she's like.
사실 조엘은 벨라와 과거의 사귀었던 사이였으며 현재는 멀어졌더라도 그녀의 아들인 에이든에게 마음이 갔던 것이었습니다.
Maybe if we stuck it out, who knows?
Aiden, your mum would be worried.
What?
Are you sure? It's no bother.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Me and you, we're going to the office. Now, I want to talk to them. Dad? Sutton?
무속인이자 라자루스 집안의 피를 이은 제나도 이를 시도해보지만 왜 때문인지 죽은 이들은 조엘에게만 찾아오는 듯했죠.
I am fine, Jen.
I'm not like Seth. I'm a Lazarus against the
Just
wall.
give me a fucking break, Jenna. None of this is about you.
Yeah.
Jen.
I'm going.
Keep doing this, Dad.
낯선 중년 여성이 찾아오면서 조엘은 또 이번엔 어떤 얘기를 할까 내심 두려웠습니다.
I'm sorry. I'll start again, shall I?
It's fine. Have a seat. Something worrying you.
I hate being on this side.
로라는 같은 정신과 의사였음에도 불구하고 조너선에게 자신의 불안한 정신 상태를 상담했던 것 같았죠.
Sorry, I don't think this is the right fit.
I haven't heard that in a while.
No, I imagine not.
Let's make this an informal chat between fellow pros.
My usual therapist retired. Bitch. It leaks into you.
And into the spaces you inhabit. What happened to you, Laura Maynard?
그녀와 대화하면서 무언가 이상한 기분이 들었던 조엘은 급하게 아버지의 내담자 기록들을 살펴봅니다.
It's not over. What the hell does that mean?
그러던 와중에 우연히 발견한 책에는 이상한 글귀와 함께 탁자 그림이 새겨져 있었죠.
I'm gonna wreck it with Billy.
This look familiar. What does that symbol mean?
빌리가 종종 그리곤 했던 그림이 아버지의 유서에 그려진 것과 동일하다는 것은 확실히 의심의 여지가 있었습니다.
Maybe
what?
We did talk about it, me and him. Some people think they were built as portals. The next world. Look, Sutton liked it. That's why it's on the book.
사후 세계를 연구하기 위해서라고 둘러대지만 조엘은 혼란을 끝내기 위해 지속해서 그를 다그쳤죠.
She broke up with you, didn't she? The night of the dance. That's what you were arguing about. You lied to me. To my face.
That we were in a bad place that night. Les, we were kids.
Swear, Billy, if you bullshit me one more fucking time!
I knew Sutton was going to dump me, but I wanted to really hurt her.
그의 말이 사실이라면 서턴을 죽였다고 보기는 힘들었으나 문제는 질투를 유발하기 위해서 제나와 만남을 가졌다는 것이었습니다.
Jenna. Who were you with that night, Billy? Jenna.
소중하게 생각했던 여동생이 사건에 연관되었을 수도 있다고 생각한 그는 울분에 가득 찬 상태로 질문을 던지죠.
You kissed Billy. Stop lying.
I'm not lying. I was drunk. I must have blacked out or something, and I know that happened because I remember Sutton catching us, and that was the reason she left the ball.
빌리와 바람을 피며 서턴이 파티장에서 나가도록 만든 데다가 심지어 그녀는 사건 당시에 집에 있었습니다.
I heard you scream.
You were home when you were in the house when she was killed.
Or hear anything. I just... That's when I saw.
No. Sutton, please wait.
Then I remember being outside and I must have gone to get help. I'm sorry, I never told you, Laz. I...
No, you can't do that.
I'm sorry, Laz, please.
I'm not listening to this.
그녀가 범인이 아니라고 할지라도 자신을 여태까지 속여왔다는 것에 대해서는 도저히 용서하기 힘들었죠.
She hasn't told anyone what actually happened that night. Maybe for her, it doesn't feel real.
Also, where did you become introspective? Home, because I stayed behind with Bella. Meanwhile, Jenna was the whole reason that Sutton left her in the first place.
여태까지 본인은 끔찍한 트라우마와 맞서면서 힘들어하고 있었으니 그녀에 대한 배신감이 극심할 수밖에 없었습니다.
I see hot people. Can't be her, it can't be. It can't be.
Yeah, we should take my company for granted more often.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
놀랍게도 로라가 현실에 존재한다는 것은 그날의 경험이 결국 꿈이 아니었다는 얘기였죠.
The Dr. Lazarus you booked your appointment with was him.
I looked you up after our session, or I looked up your father.
그녀의 입장에서는 조너선인 척 연기하는 그가 어이가 없었겠지만 그날의 분위기에 따라 장단을 맞춰준 듯했습니다.
Even though you made a very memorable first impression.
See, in my head, I was going to bounce back faster.
It doesn't work that way.
그녀와의 의미심장한 대화를 끝마친 이후 조엘은 다시 과거를 엿보기 위해서 잠에 들었죠. 그의 눈앞에 나타난 사람은 조너선의 개인 비서였던 마고였으며 빌리에 관한 얘기를 하기 시작했습니다.
But it's time to admit there's a real problem. With Billy, I mean.
Yes.
Because he's dating your daughter.
Maybe, Billy and Sutton shouldn't go to the dance.
Anyway, I just wanted to formally apologize for Billy's behavior.
빌리는 그녀의 아들이었기에 상담을 부탁했던 것이었고 현재 그의 상태가 이상하다는 것을 보고했죠.
Dark lately. I should go. I won't let anyone get hurt, Dr. L. I promise.
Hurt by Billy? No, Margaret.
그녀의 아들 때문에 누군가가 다친다는 얘기가 마음에 걸렸던 조엘은 곧장 마고의 집을 찾아갔습니다.
Margot!
폭력적인 방식이었지만 스멀스멀 올라오는 불안한 기분 때문에 그 역시 어쩔 수 없는 조치였죠. 그의 불길한 예상이 맞다는 것처럼 그녀의 집은 아무런 인기척도 없이 조용했습니다.
What are you doing?
Saw you break in.
Well, so you thought you'd break in too?
I was on my bike and I saw you as I passed by.
Seth McGovern, please leave a message after the tone.
Well, she might be dead.
Caucasian male, 30s, believed to be Neil Croft.
마고와 관련해서 수사를 요청했으나 그의 친구인 세스는 카산드라의 집에서 발견된 유골을 살피느라 정신이 없었죠.
What do you think about this for a possible murder weapon?
A lot of hunches, yeah?
Seth, call me. All right, it's important. Dad's assistant Margot.
You're not answering your mobile.
Yes. Because I've been hanging out with a corpse all morning, which we're pretty sure is Neil Croft.
그들 역시 자신들의 일 때문에 바쁜 상황이었지만 조엘의 입장에서도 더 이상 시간이 없다고 생각했습니다.
I think Billy McIntyre might have murdered my father over the years, and Billy has a connection to all the victims. Sutton, Cassandra Rhodes.
여태까지의 정황을 토대로 그는 빌리가 아버지를 죽인 데다가 이 모든 사건들의 범인이라고 확신했죠.
I found out that Sutton was planning on ending things with it. He got wind of it, was upset. It would make sense for Billy to kill him, no? I mean, I know he would never kill himself. I'm also worried about Margot, Billy's mum.
You said that Billy has a connection to all the suspicious deaths in the area.
Yes, yeah.
So do you.
다만 문제는 이런 상황을 모두 자기 입으로 얘기한다는 것 자체가 그 역시 용의자의 선상에서 벗어날 수 없다는 뜻이었습니다.
What are you so upset about?
Are you so self-absorbed? You don't realize the position you've put me in. So let's say she does turn up dead, and let's say those messages line up with her time of death. What am I supposed to do? Let alone go snooping around the victim's house?
Absolutely suspicious.
You are suspicious, Laz. You.
확실히 그의 꿈을 같이 경험하지 않았던 사람에게는 조엘의 현재 모습 자체가 정신병자처럼 보이기 충분했죠.
Soon, because if she's actually dead, Laz, you're f***ed. Also, don't give Jenna shit because you've done the same thing for years, and I've never corrected you.
Now you know why I wanted you to accompany Sutton home after the dance. I had concerns about Billy McIntyre.
그의 생각에 쐐기를 박는 것처럼 조너선은 빌리가 범인인 이유와 자신이 왜 걱정했는지를 하나하나 설명합니다.
It's a wonderful story how you stayed behind at the dance because Bella was upset. She wasn't upset. I suppose it almost feels real to you by now, doesn't it?
진실을 추궁하는 아버지에게 정신적으로 몰리고 있었던 그는 점차 과격하게 행동하기 시작했죠.
Why did you stay behind at the dance?
You bullied your patient.
Were you drunk? Is that why Sutton left alone?
Dad, listen
High
to me.
on.
I don't want to talk about it! Because I was going to get lucky, all right? I was a teenage boy, and I was told Bella wanted to. I put myself first, and she died.
만약에 그때 정말로 파티장에서 나간 서턴을 따라 나갔다면 이런 끔찍한 일이 벌어지지 않았을지도 몰랐습니다.
This is the last confirmed sighting of Margot McIntyre.
Is that Sam Olsen?
He lives around the corner.
I'll talk to him. See if he knows where she went.
Okay. And release the footage to the public. Let's see if it gets us anywhere.
한편 경찰들은 마고가 정말로 사라졌다는 것을 파악했으며 그녀를 찾기 위해 모든 수사망을 가동했죠.
Which they describe as being deeply out of character, in a fingertip search of a nearby wooded area.
I'm going to wreck it with Billy.
I wanted to really
hurt her.
여러 가지 추측과 경험으로 인해서 빌리가 범인이라는 확신이 있었지만 일단은 그녀를 찾는 것이 우선이었습니다. 다만 빌리가 정말로 이런 행동을 했다면 도대체 자기 어머니를 납치하면서까지 이루고자 하는 것이 무엇일까 싶었죠.
Where's Margaret? Come on, I think he's down. Is that you, Billy? Shh. What do you want?
Hey, guys, trapped!
What is this? What's going on? Olsen.
Wait with me! Hey, Billy, calm down! Calm down! Where's my mum?
분노한 빌리가 올슨에게 폭력을 가하는 와중에 발견한 것은 바로 두 눈을 부릅뜨고서 죽어있는 마고의 모습이었습니다.
They have to be careful. They will, Billy.
McIntyre under arrest for assault and incitement to commit violence.
결국 마고는 처참한 모습으로 죽임을 당한 것이었으며 대체 누가 그녀를 죽였는지 의문만 남았죠.
How bad is it?
Said I have to be in hospital overnight. Didn't have to do what you did.
I didn't do much.
자꾸만 올슨을 마주치는 것이 불편하면서도 그에 대한 부정적인 생각은 이제 완전히 버린 상태였습니다.
And maybe that's a good thing. Because the police just said they want to talk to me. I'll be new fodder for the rumours, yeah?
What were you doing in there anyway? Were you on a search team?
I was going fishing for Arctic char.
At night?
Fish have eyes. Can see you up on the shore during the day. Plus it's peaceful.
Jesus Christ.
혼란스러운 와중에 갑자기 찾아온 에이드는 전혀 예상하지 못한 얘기를 하기 시작했죠.
You're my dad. I did a DNA test.
Wait. You what?
I took your toothbrush.
You took Jesus, Aiden. What you? It was positive. Like we're a match.
과거에 잠깐 사귀었던 여자친구의 아들이 사실은 자기 자식이었다는 것은 충격적인 사실이었습니다.
I mean, how the fuck? I thought we were careful. Why did you do the test?
I feel different. I feel like I don't belong.
Does it?
I don't know.
여태까지 그를 챙겨주었던 것은 아무래도 벨라의 아들이기 때문이 아니라 피가 이어진 자식에게 본능적으로 이끌린 것일지도 몰랐죠.
It's normal for your head to be swirling. Ever? I'm here, okay?
If you'd known you were my dad, would you have been around?
Nothing in the world would have dragged me away.
그래도 현재 그의 머릿속에는 에이든에 대한 생각보다 현재 벌어지고 있는 끔찍한 사건들로 가득 차 있었습니다.
I didn't have the guts to ask for your number.
So you thought you'd just show up to my house?
Isn't that better than internet stalking?
로라 역시 같은 정신과 의사였으니 그의 혼란을 해결하는 것에 도움이 될지도 몰랐죠.
My sister was killed, but I never moved on. Never put it behind me.
Just a sec. No internet stalking required.
All right.
Look, we're wondering if you'd like to stop by the station.
It's about Billy attacking me.
브라운은 이전의 대화를 토대로 모든 정황을 알고 있었던 조엘을 의심했습니다.
Meaning we think...
Someone brought a knife into the woods. This was premeditated.
You're right. He was lying. Let's say that Billy did kill his... It still doesn't tell me how you knew it would happen now.
I met with Billy recently. I don't know. A feeling.
A feeling. I know you didn't kill Margot McIntyre.
다만 그를 끊임없이 의심한 덕분에 미행까지 나섰으며 이로 인해 그의 결백이 증명된 셈이었죠.
I didn't trust you. And I still don't.
You're a great friend and I'm a dick.
Come on. How did you really know? Come on.
I get it, Seth.
마고가 죽을 것을 어떻게 알았느냐에 대한 질문에 조엘은 똑같은 대답을 내놓을 수밖에 없었습니다.
Doesn't make sense with any explanation I've got.
My answer won't change, mate.
Look, can't officially be showing you this, but it turns out your dad wrote Billy's original referral letter to rehab over 20 years ago.
빌리는 당시에 나쁜 것에 중독되어 있는 상태였으며 이를 통해서 제나까지 말려들게 한 것이었죠.
Why are you telling me this?
It wasn't your fault, Jenna, that you kissed Billy. I'm pretty sure he spiked your drink the night of the dance. Break up with him, he knew you fancied him, so he drugged you, used you.
Yeah, he did give me a drink.
비록 자신에게 비밀을 숨겨왔다는 것이 원망스러웠지만 하루아침에 소중한 남매 관계를 깨뜨릴 수는 없었는데
It wasn't your fault. The sun left the dance, and I know she would understand.
I'm sorry. You and Seth.
I hold you personally responsible for that haircut.
She was so pretty. What?
I was at Sam Olsen's house a few days ago, and he had this toy dog, and she gave him that stuffed dog as a thank you.
결국 개인형을 받았다는 올슨의 말이 거짓이라면 여태까지 그에 대해서 생각했던 모든 것들을 다시 판단해야 했습니다.
So she couldn't have given it to him as a little kid. He must have taken it from my bedroom, and she was murdered.
술을 마시고서 취한 상태였지만 지금 당장이라도 올슨을 찾아가지 않으면 미쳐버릴 것 같았던 조엘.
Turn the engine off.
This was in Sutton's bedroom the night she died, and that fucker Olsen had it. I was so fixed on Billy tonight in saving Olsen. He was right by Margot's body.
Where were you going?
I know where he is.
제나는 흥분한 그를 진정시키면서 경찰인 세스를 통해 상황을 합리적으로 해결하자 얘기하죠.
So let's get that to someone who'll know what to do with it.
Hey, it's me.
Yeah, in here.
No, don't do this to me again.
Seth, no calls, no ghosts. Here. Did you see that? Right, now see what Olsen gave me the other day. And we know where he is.
세스 역시 이제는 허황된 얘기가 아니라고 생각하면서 곧장 올슨이 있는 곳을 찾아갑니다.
Okay, we want him in the corridor as quickly and as quietly as possible.
다만 마치 그들이 찾아올 것을 알고 있다는 것처럼 그는 이미 꽁무니를 뺀 상황이었죠.
Okay, we're not just turning up on spec and making things up as we go along.
Well, while we're waiting, Sutton's murderer also killed Cassandra, Harry, and Margaret.
Sorry,
That means
Harry? Who's Harry?
Harry Nash.
모든 정황을 토대로 조엘은 이제 올슨이 과거 사건들의 범인이라고 완전히 확신하고 있었습니다.
Okay, all right, enough. And when Olsen says no, it wasn't. I've never seen it before.
But Sutton had this from when she was a kid.
Sutton had 2 dogs. That's why she gave one away.
Absurd. Why would she have 2 dogs?
That's what they'll say.
Yeah, this is...
사실 서턴을 죽인 것이 맞다고 하더라도 고작 인형 하나 때문에 모든 사건의 범인이라 보는 것은 무리가 있었죠.
Okay, quick as you can before he can destroy anything.
What? He's gone. Genius. Do it by the book and give him all the time in the world to get away and go wherever he wants.
Laz, I'm sorry.
Oh, well, that's all right then.
다만 조엘은 과거의 트라우마들이 머릿속을 지배하면서 오로지 범인을 잡는 것에만 생각이 매몰되어 있었습니다.
You think I don't have that possibility in my head the whole time?
Ted noticed this, Sarge.
What the hell are these?
Clothes? Girls' underwear.
Good work. Bag him up. Check the other pictures.
Yes, sir.
그들의 수사를 도저히 잠자코 지켜볼 수 없었던 조엘은 다시 죽은 이들과 마주하려 했죠.
Come on.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry, do you have a moment?
그의 눈앞에 나타난 인물은 바로 몇십 년 전의 자신이었으며 무언가 말하려는 것처럼 보였습니다.
A moment so fleeting.
A moment so fleeting.
Sorry, yes. I can't stop thinking about Sutton. I can't stop feeling that I could and should have. Her dying, her getting killed is my fault. I stayed.
What do you want me to do about that?
동생을 지키지 못했다고 슬퍼하는 자신에게 조엘은 한심함을 느끼며 매몰차게 다그치기 시작했죠.
Can I count for the choices you've made that trouble you now?
I miss her. We've never not been together.
Yes, because you grew from nothing together. You're still here. And that's what you and I have to learn to live with.
서턴을 너무나 소중하게 생각했던 그에게 과거의 실수는 평생 동안 후회할 만큼 처절한 기억이었습니다.
Why didn't you help me? Why? You thought I was to blame.
No, never.
Because that's what you did. You held me responsible for my sister's death.
Not what I felt, ever.
Why didn't you rescue me?
물론 그녀를 죽인 사람은 따로 있었지만 가족의 입장에서는 한 가지라도 과거가 바뀌었다면 어땠을까 같은 회한이 남을 수밖에 없었죠.
But I was your child too.
And that's no road to send a young man down on his own. I was on my own. I couldn't cope.
But you never showed me.
I always wanted to think that you came through okay.
But I'm not okay.
Lass, have you seen Aiden?
Have I seen?
Yeah. He didn't go home last night, and he's not answering his phone. Have you seen him?
그런 와중에 에이든이 집을 나갔다는 얘기가 들려오자 조엘은 사실대로 이야기하기 시작했습니다.
This is off his own bat. All right, I had nothing to do with it. Yesterday the results came back saying I'm his father, not Paul.
어린 아이의 입장에서는 현재의 상황이 너무나 혼란스러울 수 있었으니 집을 나가는 것도 이상하지 않았죠.
It isn't my intention in any way to supplant him.
Really?
Bella.
Guys?
Sorry. Olsen's car driving north out of the city late last night.
And he's got someone with him.
Yeah, but the quality's so shit you can't see.
It's the same jacket Aiden was wearing last night.
Let me see.
심지어 어젯밤에 올슨과 같이 있었다는 얘기는 그들에게 부정적인 생각만 가져다 주었습니다.
I'll go help Paul look for him. You wait here so you're home when he comes back.
That boy is my everything. Father, so don't you dare start claiming him now.
I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
The police had my card marked from day one. Every time someone gets mugged.
그날 자신이 조금이라도 신경을 곤두세웠더라면 사태를 방지할 수 있었을지도 모른다는 생각에 죄책감이 들었던 조엘.
I was going fishing for Arctic char.
낚시를 했다는 올슨의 말을 떠올리면서 곧장 조엘은 근처의 호수를 찾기 시작합니다.
Mom, Lass found Olsen's car.
공교롭게도 그곳에는 올슨의 차가 있었으며 세스에게 보고한 이후에도 그는 지속해서 앞으로 나아가죠.
How do we kill it?
Put it back. Down she goes.
Go wait in my car, up by the one you came in.
I want to stay with Sam.
Aiden!
I don't want to go home.
Do you want me to deal with this?
I beg your pardon.
Look, nothing's happened, okay?
그들이 정답게 낚시를 하고 있는 모습은 아무리 생각해도 이해하기가 어려운 장면이었습니다.
Off! I didn't do anything.
You deny it! Loved and protected her.
여태까지의 정황을 생각하면 올슨이 범인이어도 전혀 이상하지 않은 상황이었죠.
Where are you?
I always showed son such respect.
Tell me what happened that night. How?
I used to leave a key under the stone. It wasn't for anything sordid. To be near where she sleeps. That dog, she'd had it the first time I met her.
사실 올슨은 그녀를 쫓아다니던 스토커였으며 그날 정신없었던 파티는 그가 사악한 의도를 드러내기 최적의 상황이었습니다.
On my neck, she threw herself at me. So I kissed her.
결국 서턴을 죽인 사람이 그라는 것은 사실로 밝혀졌고 이성을 잃은 조엘은 그를 죽여버릴 기세로 달려들었죠.
Why did you let her leave the dance? Get off!
죽이고 싶을 만큼 그가 원망스러웠지만 지금 죽는다면 나머지 진실들도 모두 수면 아래로 가라앉을 것이었습니다.
We found photos in Olsen's house of Sutton's room.
You're with me now.
I'm with you. What would you have done if we didn't get here when we did?
그래도 이제 하나의 사건은 해결된 셈이었으니 조엘은 조금이나마 마음을 놓을 수 있었죠.
I just want you to know I'll always be there for him.
I'm worried about Aiden.
Worried in what way?
It's, I don't know, being thought of as weird. I know you had a breakdown because of Sutton, and nothing like that's ever happened to Aiden, but
I mean, the honest answer is I don't know.
I've got to tell Paul, so...
Of course.
에이든의 출생의 비밀에 대한 것도 마음에 걸리긴 했지만 이는 시간이 해결해 줄 것이었습니다.
What I don't get is that
I guess that's what people in our situation mean when they say, now we can start grieving.
Laz, you can't think that you're to blame for Aiden's problems. You've both had a lot to deal with.
물론 이렇게 하더라도 다시는 서턴을 볼 수 없었으나 그의 곁에는 사랑하는 여동생과 든든한 친구가 있었죠.
Tighter.
그들이 서로 사랑하는 모습을 보면서 자극을 받은 것인지 조엘은 이전에 인연이 닿았던 로라를 찾아갑니다.
And just hanging out.
Oh, well, that wouldn't be ethical, would it?
No, but that's good.
Diary and we'll
No,
book
no,
you
no.
in.
Let's not get your diary. Let's just I don't know. Whatever you want.
And get you the contact details of two alternatives.
I'm sorry.
Apology accepted. Right, so where are we going to go for this drink?
그렇게 그녀와 사랑을 나눈 이후 오랜만에 기분 좋은 마음으로 잠에서 깬 그는 굳은 표정의 사람들과 마주하죠.
What?
Olsen was 200 miles away the day your dad died.
It's a cast iron alibi.
Tear his house apart.
We've searched the place from top to bottom. There's nothing there relating to your dad.
올슨은 안타깝게도 서턴을 죽인 범인일 뿐이었으며 다른 사건들과 전혀 연관이 없었습니다.
Olsen didn't kill your dad. No one did. He killed himself.
What? I've been seeing people who have died, seeing them like I'm seeing you right now. And my dad, who's among them, told me he was murdered too. I saw Sutton. Sutton came to me. And we know she was murdered by Olsen.
Olsen didn't kill your dad.
이제 겨우 하나 해결했다는 생각에 정신이 아득해진 그는 곧장 미지의 세계였던 아버지의 서고로 돌아오죠.
Okay. Let's be Avenue. Come on, open sesame.
Doctor, don't come till I call.
갑자기 연인인 것처럼 다가오는 그녀를 보고서 조엘은 마치 이전에 봤던 사람이라는 생각이 들었습니다.
Well, vengeance is mine, saith the Lord.
이전부터 그를 자극했던 알론은 조너선과 만남을 가진 여인을 죽였던 범인인 것이었죠.
Why don't we read it out the whole of the next session? God came to me, so he says, would I mind exacting his punishment for him? Let's see if our Dr. Lazarus can go one better than his namesake. He's himself from the dead.
정신병동에 갇혀 있었던 사람이었던 만큼 그는 말도 안 되는 얘기를 내뱉으며 그를 위협했습니다. 급하게 그는 지금 눈앞에 있는 상황이 현실인지에 대해서 파악하는 것이 우선이라 생각했죠.
And tell me, is he there? Is he alive?
Dr. Laz, he's here. He's in his cell.
결국 이 모든 것이 꿈에 불과하다는 것은 과거에 그가 조너선을 습격한 적이 있었다는 얘기였습니다.
My father died on the day of our last session. The day you said you'd been speaking with God and God told you I was a fake. You asked God to punish me. And God said he would. So did he.
저주스러운 말을 내뱉고 그 내용이 조너선과 관련이 있었던 것을 보면 확실히 알로가 그를 죽인 범인 같았죠.
God works in mysterious ways.
How did you know?
You visited my father before you were arrested. You told him vengeance is mine.
알로는 이전에 조너선의 내담자였으며 어떤 원한을 가지고 노년의 연인들을 죽여버린 듯이 보였습니다.
I told him about my urges and he told the police, so am I sad he's dead? But if you think I can arrange murder from inside here...
By urges, you mean the ones that led you to violently rape and murder 4 women?
Like father, like son.
Oh, I understand you. Imogen Carswood.
Doctor.
She was in a relationship with my father.
I didn't.
Your DNA was all over the crime scene.
I was framed. They couldn't prove my crimes, so they found a way to put me in prison. And she knew it. I looked over at the lead detective, and do you know what I saw? The smile of someone who got away with it.
그의 얘기를 완전히 믿는 것은 아니었지만 확실히 브라운은 이전부터 이상한 모습을 보이긴 했었죠.
I've been tailing you. I didn't trust you. And I still don't.
그녀에 대한 의심이 피어오른 조엘은 로라와 만나며 브라운이 이전에 어떤 행적을 벌였는지 면밀히 조사합니다.
I was gonna call my sister, but I need your objectivity.
Now you're talking.
Anything out of the ordinary in Detective Brown's investigations into my father's clients.
Arlo Jones is a vicious killer. Imogen Carswood was one.
결국 그녀가 현재 조엘이 마주하고 있었던 모든 사건들을 담당한 형사라는 사실이 밝혀졌죠.
I didn't do it. I never killed Harry. I didn't.
Sorry, Harry? Who's Harry?
Harry Nash. She told me she'd never heard of the victim. Alfie, hi. Quick question. The Father Frank suicide video. Can you remember who it was given to?
Which officer?
Yeah, it was DCI Brown.
Am I going insane or is that really suspicious?
Why would she try to conceal it?
And how many more are there?
왜 이 모든 사건들에 얽혀 있는지는 모르겠지만 이는 분명히 무언가를 감추기 위해서라는 생각이 들었습니다.
I wouldn't make this statement unless I really believed it. I think Detective Brown killed my dad.
Oh, just like Olsen killed your dad. Just like Billy killed your dad.
Just listen to me, all right? Listen. I think she's framed a number of people for murder.
Ghosts tell you this, did it,
Seth, I'm not joking.
다만 올슨과 빌리에 이어서 이제는 브라운이 범인이라고 얘기하니 세스의 입장에서도 들어주기 힘들었죠.
Well, you have to because your boss is corrupt and needs confronting. All right, read them.
I'm not reading them.
Seth,
this has gone too
where
far.
are you
lads.
going, Seth?
You were seeing ghosts, and now you're seeing cover-ups. You need help, lads.
Friend, I need you to trust me and believe me and come with me to confront her.
조엘은 너무나 간절하게 아버지를 죽인 사람을 찾아내고 싶었지만 같은 경찰로서 이를 용인할 수는 없었습니다.
Why did you become a cop?
Lads, I swear to God, lads.
All right, read the files and tell me I'm wrong.
결국 브라운을 세스의 앞에 불러낸 그는 차분하게 자신이 무엇을 의심하고 있는지 얘기하기 시작하죠.
Seth said you had information regarding your father's death.
You were the senior investigating officer on the Cassandra Rhodes case. More recently, you led an investigation into the murder of Imogen Carswood,
I'm failing to see where all this is leading.
a conviction Arlo Jones strenuously opposes. Arlo a patient, Imogen a lover. In there, I found discrepancies, all of which involved patients of my father or people known to him.
I don't hear a question.
I think you were using my father's psychiatric practice and using them as scapegoats for your crimes. Confronted you about it, so you killed him.
잠깐 들어봤을 때는 논리적인 추리라고 생각할 수 있었으나 사실 증거도 없었기에 그저 추측에 불과했습니다.
I loved your father very much, John.
And a glass of water, please. Lemon drizzle cake. Reminds me of my grandma.
You ain't tried mine yet, mate.
I'm calling back up!
아버지를 사랑했다면서 갑자기 공격하는 것을 보면 그들 사이에서 묘한 대화가 오간 것 같았죠. 어찌됐든 모든 정황을 듣고서 이렇게 도주한다는 것은 확실히 캥기는 부분이 있다는 얘기였습니다.
Hey!
다만 그의 추적이 압박으로 다가왔는지 브라운은 지나가던 차에 깔려 사망하고 말았죠.
You okay?
Thanks, mate.
I still don't understand any of this. I am sorry I doubted you.
결국 아버지와 여동생을 죽인 이들을 단죄한 셈이었기에 조엘은 끔찍한 트라우마에서 벗어날 수 있을 것 같았습니다.
Don't have to come back and get all heavy with you.
Joel, don't push it. I don't want to have to use this. Believe me, it'll destroy you. Please, please, just go home. Let this go.
그녀가 죽기 전에 건네려 했던 테이프가 마음에 걸렸던 조엘을 뒤로 하고서 에이드는 문득 로라를 찾아가죠.
Hey,
I know it's a bit strange, but I just wanted to talk to you. I know you're close.
No. No, come on in.
아버지가 누구인지에 대한 혼란이 가득했던 청소년이었으니 상담을 받는 것도 무리는 아니었습니다.
Stay between us. Cross my heart and hope to die.
Alison.
테이프를 재생하자마자 브라운이 등장했으며 그들의 대화는 여태까지의 경험들과 미묘하게 느낌이 달랐죠.
I've been so stupid.
In psychology, we call guilt the useless emotion. It eats away at us.
So you don't feel guilt? For years, I thought you were helping me close cases.
Let's not get melodramatic. You reaped the rewards, Alison.
But you manipulated me. And I let my ego get in the way.
놀라운 사실은 여태까지의 사건들이 모두 조너선의 통제하에 이루어진 하나의 쇼였다는 것이었습니다.
So you say you strangled her?
I put an end to her suffering.
Is that what you tell yourself?
People, Alison, when staying, lingering in the world is infinitely more painful than leaving it.
What about the others? You've been giving me information over the years to deflect from yourself.
Are deeply traumatized people with deeply troubled lives.
Rationalize it any way you want. You murdered them, Jonathan.
물론 그 역시 이에 대해 죄책감을 느끼고 있었으며 브라운은 이를 단죄할 방법으로 스스로 목숨을 끊으라고 종용했죠.
You understand that, don't you? You could write a note. In your, how did you put it? Pain. Lingering.
That's a route that favors you rather more than me.
그는 정신적 충격에 빠진 사람들에게 죽음이라는 해결책을 제시했고 이는 서턴을 잃은 본인에게도 해당하는 내용이었습니다.
You've been a good friend, Alison. You've always been there. Do you think I'll see Sutton?
I hope so.
There is that. I'd like to be alone.
I'll wait outside.
그녀에게 마지막 인사를 건넨 이후 조너선은 자신이 가장 사랑했던 사람에게 전화를 걸었죠.
You've reached Dr. Joel Lazarus. Please leave a message after the tone.
어쩌면 조엘은 조너선에게 가장 소중했던 사람이자 서턴의 죽음에 대한 비밀을 밝혀줄 해결사라고 생각했던 것 같았습니다.
She murdered me.
You killed?
I freed them from their pain. You met Cassandra. She killed him in my office. Moving, but what was the likelihood of someone like that keeping a secret?
And Harry?
The damage had been done. Coming forward made it worse. The truth, son, will not always set you free.
비록 정신적으로 힘들어하는 사람을 편안하게 해주기 위해서라고는 하지만 이는 범죄와 다를 바 없는 행동이었죠.
Self-justifying crap. You killed because you wanted to kill. Why, Dad? Why? No!
I had my own pain. I had lost a child. But I never stopped loving you, either of you.
서턴이 사망하며 가정이 파탄난 그날부터 조너선은 조엘에게 자신을 대입하며 못다한 수건을 들어주길 원했던 것이었습니다.
That drawing on my suicide note, do you know what that symbol means to me? Time isn't linear. It's cyclical. No. History is destined to repeat itself unless we break the pattern.
Not anymore.
Then let me go.
그들은 생전에 못했던 솔직한 대화로 인해서 서로의 마음을 알게 되었지만 이제 다시는 만나지도 만나고 싶지도 않았죠.
Or a carnival balloon in the windmills of your mind. Down a hollow to a cavern keeps revolving in a half-forgotten dream.
머릿속을 괴롭히던 모든 트라우마를 해결했으나 그 잔혹한 진실에 짓눌린 조엘은 조금도 마음이 편하지 않았습니다.
Hi, Laura, it's me.
불편한 마음을 치유하기 위해서 로라를 찾아가지만 무언가 분위기가 심상치 않았죠.
Laura? Laura?
피 묻은 낫을 들고서 엄숙한 표정을 짓고 있는 에이든을 마지막으로 드라마는 끝이 납니다.
I'm sorry.
과거의 트라우마로 인해 괴로워하던 사람이 이와 마주하며 진실을 파헤치는 스릴러 드라마 할런 코벤의 라자로였습니다.